వచ్చిందన్న బస్
Good
అమెరికా
morning,
వాళ్ళది
everybody.
సక్సెస్ అయిపోయింది. ఫస్ట్ స్టేజ్ సక్సెస్ అయిందన్నారు.
This is Praveen Kumar, lecturer in chemistry, NTR JDC, Women Mahbub Nagar. A warm welcome to Bridge class for newcomers at graduation level.
ఓకే మేడం.
Okay, welcome Ananda. Today we are going to discuss the fundamentals in chemistry. It is very useful to the students who completed their 10 plus 2 and entering into graduation level. Okay, in graduation level, here semester system is there. You have 6 sems. Each year you will complete 2 sems. At your first year you have to complete 2 sems, sem 1 and sem 2. In sem 1 the syllabus for chemistry is basic topics which are you completed in your intermediate level. For example, in inorganic chemistry, it is classification of elements. Already you studied in your intermediate level. Now you have to study about S and P black elements. And in organic chemistry also, alkanes, alkenes. So here finally what you are studied in your intermediate, that will be elaborated here. Okay, you have to study in elaborated way. For example, you take S black elements. Okay, today we will discuss about S black elements. What you studied in S black elements? Before that, you know periodic table. What is periodic table and how the elements are classified? Already you studied very well in your intermediate first year. Till now nearly we have 118 elements. They are classified in so many ways, based on properties or based on electron configuration or based on differentiating electron. Here we consider the classification which is based on differentiating electron enters in which orbital. Okay, based on that elements are classified into 4 blacks. Those are S black elements, P black elements, D black elements and F black elements. How they are classified means just simple way. The differentiating electron. The differentiating electrons means the electron lost electron. For example, you take sodium atom. Atomic number of sodium is 11. That means what is the atomic number? Atomic number is nothing but the number of electrons or the number of protons present in an atom is called atomic number. Okay, so if you take sodium, okay, see here I am going to write here. See here, sodium atomic number 11 means it contains 11 electrons. Whenever you go to write electron configuration, okay, it contains 11 electrons. Okay, 2 electrons are entered into first orbit, 6 electrons are entered into second orbit, and 1 electron entered into third orbit. So the electron configuration is like 1s2, 2s2, 2p6 and 3s1. It seems that the last electron is present in s orbital of third orbit. So sodium belongs to S black elements. So we can easily predict either it element belongs to which black. For example, if you take nitrogen, the atomic number of nitrogen is 7. It contains 7 electrons. Whenever you go through electron configuration, that is 1s2, 2s2, 2p3, the last electron present in p orbital. So you can conclude that nitrogen belongs to P black element. Like that, D and F, whatever you take. Okay. Lastly, if you take scandium, atomic number is 21. The electron configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2 and 3d1. That means last electron entered in d orbital. So that is called d black element. Here, based on differentiating electron, that means last electron of that atom enters in which orbital. Based on that, the elements are classified into 4 blacks. Okay, here in your first sem you have to study about S black and P black elements. Before entering into the syllabus, based on your basic knowledge, just now you can easily define what is S black element. Can you define? Oh, why not? Easily you can define. S black element means the element in which the differentiating electron is entering into s orbital or entered into s orbital are called S black elements. But the maximum capacity of s orbital is only 2 electrons. That's why there is only 2 groups are there in S black, that is first A and second A. Okay, already you studied in your first year. Those are called alkali metals and alkali earth metals. For Telugu medium students, క్షార లోహాలు, క్షార మృత్తికా లోహాలు, because the capacity of s orbital is only 2. S orbital లో 2 ఎలక్ట్రాన్లకే ప్లేస్ ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి దాంట్లో 2 ఎలక్ట్రాన్లే పడతాయి కాబట్టి 2 గ్రూపులే ఉంటాయి. అది ఫస్ట్ ఏ అండ్ సెకండ్ ఏ. whereas you go to p orbital, that is actually not p orbital, p sub energy level, p upashakti sthayi. P sub energy level contain 3 orbitals. Those are px, py, pz. But in general we called as p orbital, of course. So there are three orbitals px, py, pz. Okay, you can accommodate 6 electrons in p sub energy level. That's why there are 6 groups in p black elements. Okay, so totally you have to study 8 groups. 2 groups from S black elements, 6 groups from P black elements. This is the syllabus whatever you have in your first sem from inorganic chemistry. Okay, before entering into inorganic chemistry you have to study some more basic concepts. Without basics you can't do anything, because whenever base is strong the building will be strong. Like that, మీరు బేసిక్స్ ఎంత స్ట్రాంగ్గా చదువుకుంటే మీరు హయ్యర్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్లో అంత స్ట్రాంగ్గా రాణించగలుగుతారు. సో 1 or 2 days I have to take 2 classes only for the basics for newcomers. At the same time the third sem, fourth sem students also, because there is a long gap between sem to sem. I think they are also forgot some subject. Okay, just listen to this. Basic concepts are: what is atom and what is atomic number, what is mass number. At the same time, how to write electron configuration up to all elements, that means 118 elements. Okay, now what is periodicity and types of bonds. Just 5 questions. I will raise 5 questions. Just think yourself what you know or not. One is, what is atom and what is atomic number. Second one, what is the classification of elements and periodic properties. Third one, types of bonds and how the bond formation takes place. Why the bond formation takes place. Fourth one, inert gases. What are inert gases? జడవాయువులు అంటారమ్మా. Inert gases, zero group elements. Okay, these are the basic concepts. By knowing these 4 topics you can easily survive in your first sem of inorganic chemistry. Okay, In my next class, I will discuss about the fundamentals of organic chemistry. Okay, I will discuss in my next class about the basics of organic chemistry. Otherwise, if you are interested, I am ready to discuss about fundamentals of inorganic chemistry in one more class also. Okay, thank you.
ఈరోజు అన్నట్టు అయిపోయింది.
నా క్లాస్ రాలేదని నా బాధ నాకు అయింది. ఇప్పుడు
నక్షత్ర టాటూ సెంటర్ ఉంటుంది.
ఎవరు వాళ్ళు?
ఇప్పుడు టాటూ వేయించుకుంది.
ఏ పిల్ల? ఇప్పుడు నా క్లాస్ పోయిందని నేను దీంట్లో చేసిన. ఇప్పుడు
స్క్రీన్ షేర్ చేసిన.
దీనది స్క్రీన్ రికార్డర్ అసలు ఏడుంది అనేది చూడాలి. ఇప్పుడు ఏడు ఉన్నట్టుంది. మెమరీ అవైలబుల్ ఏమన్నా వీడియో రికార్డే అన్నట్టు ఇంతసేపు పరిస్తే ఏడైంది కదా.